So this is a very short tutorial to show how to add a layer of color in Photoshop. And as you can see, I've got a black and white image here. It's something that I've pulled up from my cartoon strip in the London Times. And you can see that if I go to image mode, I'm in RGB color. So we're going to need that in order to add a color layer. So if I want to add a layer of color, it's very straightforward. All I do is go down to this little plus sign down on the bottom right hand side of my screen and click on that, and that will add an extra layer. Now instead of normal in the drop down menu, I want multiply, and then I can go ahead and start painting. So I'm going to go to the brush tool that's up here, select the color I want from anywhere in the color wheel. Let's say I want to paint the books on the bookshelf here. They're going to be a kind of lawyerish green, sort of olive green because this is a cartoon strip about lawyers. So I just pick the color I want, and then I start painting. Now my color's a little bit small there, so I'm going to go up to the brush size. That's this little button up here. It's 14 pixels, but I can take that up to 46 pixels and start painting. Now if I want to zoom in a little bit, all I have to do is go to the little zoom button down here on the bottom left hand side of the screen, and I can tap in like that, then go back to the brush tool and I can start painting. And that's it really. If I want to add let's say I want to change color to do the skin tones, I can go down to a different part of the color wheel and give them pink skin or any other color I want, and then just fill it in like that. And I can change the brush size back down to get the edges and so on. And that's it really. That's how to add a layer of color in Photoshop.